Hey guys, I'm going to show you an awesome recipe today that's been put together by our very own recipe developer, Barb. It's a no-knead, gluten-free bread that can be whipped up in the Vibe blender in a matter of minutes using some common gluten-free pantry staples. For more healthy recipes and other ways to use your Luvele appliances, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a like if you enjoy it. This blender bread is so easy to put together. It's just a matter of putting all of the ingredients into the jug, turning it into a nice batter, and then pouring it into a loaf pan. We'll start with our wet ingredients, which helps pull everything else down into the blades really nice and smoothly. So we'll start with 1.5 cups of tepid water, 1 tablespoon of dried yeast, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 eggs, and 1/4 cup of avocado oil. Now we can go in with our dry ingredients. We've got 2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 1/4 cups of tapioca starch, 3/4 cup of buckwheat flour, and finally 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now we can put the lid back on and mix it up. I'm going to use the tamp today so that I can push the batter down into the blades and get it really nice and smooth. We'll put this on smoothie mode and it should take around 50 seconds. Now I can pour this straight into an oiled loaf pan. I'll sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top just for flavor, and then it needs to proof for around half an hour or until it's doubled in size. I've covered this with a damp tea towel and I'll leave it in a warm spot to rise. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven to 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. So this has risen nicely after about 30 minutes. It's ready to go into the oven that we had preheating. It'll take about 45 minutes to cook. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool down in the pan for a couple of hours, and then it'll be ready to slice up and eat with your favorite toppings. So there you go, an easy gluten-free blender bread that you can whip up in the Vibe blender in next to no time. Make this one for yourself at home or maybe for your gluten-free friends and family. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and let us know if you give this one a go at home in the comments section below. Otherwise, we're looking forward to seeing you again next week for another Luvele Life recipe.